Good morning, guys. So it's 9:30 right now. I just got up. I picked up my room a little bit and now we're gonna make a to-do list. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Normally on a beautiful sunny day, I would go work out, take my dog for a walk, and be super productive. But yesterday I laid out in the sun all day and I got such a bad sunburn. Like, you guys, it's so bad. I feel like the camera just doesn't do it justice. Like, it hurts to sit down because the sunburn is like on the back of my legs and my butt. And then I just saw today that I have a sunburn on my chest and on my back a little bit too. So we are not doing well today. This is what I'm eating. And now my makeup's all done. I literally only filled in my eyebrows and put on some mascara. Okay, so I know I already talked about my sunburn, but the only way I'm gonna feel better about it is if I complain about it. I literally complain about everything. Like, I'm not even kidding. And my legs and my butt hurt so much. Like, I tried to put leggings on today and it was just not gonna happen. Like, it hurts so bad. And I don't want to be wearing shorts right now, but I have to because if I were to wear anything else, it would hurt even more. And I'm just so like mad at myself. Well, I'm not mad at myself, I'm just mad in general because I literally didn't do anything wrong. I put on suntan lotion twice yesterday when I was laying out in the sun, and this is still what happens to me. And I'm just mad because I could be laying outside in the sun right now because it's really nice out. It's like 60 or 70 degrees out and I can't. I'm just not having a good time. I'm really not. And I used this a few times. It's supposed to help with cooling relief, but it doesn't work. It hasn't helped me. But I'm gonna put it on again because there may be a chance that it does help. Oh, it's so cold. I can already tell that this vlog is gonna be a mess, but that's okay because this is my life. Most of the time it's a mess. And you guys did say that you like chatty vlogs. So that's what I'm gonna give you. You're getting a chatty vlog today because I'm just so done. Also, that's kind of a thing. Oh, and I also am just like not having very much luck at all because I had some kind of like allergic reaction to something and have like hives or something, but it's really itchy and it's not a good time. Don't know what it's from. Haven't used anything like different or anything like that. My skin is just not having it right now. But in some happier news, I got a package from Clearasil. They sent me a PR package for some of their new products, so I wanted to show you guys. It's literally the cutest thing ever. So I got this exfoliating wash, these rapid deep treatment pads, some cute stickers, these super cute lip balms, and they even gave me this